Welcome to Acceleron's unboxing series. Today we're going to be talking about the Willow 360. We'll be talking about its special features, what comes in the box, how to assemble, how to use, and how to clean. And by the way, if you haven't ordered your breast pump through insurance, check us out at acceleron.com/order and we'll help you along the way. Special features for the Willow 360 include being totally wearable and hands-free. It also has 360-degree mobility, meaning that you can pump in any position while being totally leak-free. Yes, you can pump even laying down. You can control your pump and track your milk volume in real time using the app or Apple Watch. The Willow 360 also comes with a 24-pack of milk bags that have a spill-proof one-way valve. You also have the option to purchase a reusable container. However, you do not have the 360 mobility with using this container and do have to pump upright. The pump comes with 2 cleaning brushes and 2 different size brush shield sizes. Comes with a 24mm brush shield and a 21mm insert. The Willow 360 also comes with access to 360 care. This includes onboarding, brush shield sizing support, complimentary brush shield inserts if needed, and access to lactation experts. Let's assemble the Willow 360. First, you want to start with one of your brush shields and your flex tube. You're going to connect your flex tube to the flange with the flange spout. You're going to push the flex tube over the spout until it becomes flush and secure. You're going to connect the flex tube collar, which is the green portion of the flex tube, into the grooves onto the brush shield. You'll want to hear a click. You're then going to secure your spill-proof 4-ounce bag. The bags are labeled with this side up, which you want facing you. There's an opening that you're going to align that goes over the channel and the flex tube, and the valve is going to fit into the flex shield collar. You want to move the breast milk storage bag underneath the magnets and the tabs. The breast milk storage bag is going to be larger than the flange, so you might have to push down some to get that to fit. And you're going to close the brush shield door. Next, you're just going to secure the pump and the brush shield. There's an opening in the pump itself that you'll align your brush shield, and the magnets will hold it into place. Now we're going to talk about how to use the Willow 360 pump without the app, and in our next segment, we'll use the app. As a reminder, this pump does have to be attached onto your breast and aligned to be able to work properly. To turn the pump on, you hit the power button until it lights up. There are 3 different colors on the power button that lets you know your battery life. Green means you have at least 2 sessions, yellow means 1 session, and red means that the pump needs to be charged. Once you have the pump aligned and you're ready to start your session, you'll hit the play pause button, and that initiates the suction. This usually takes about 10 seconds until it will automatically switch to stimulation mode. You'll know that you're in stimulation mode because the suction gets shorter and quicker. You can adjust your suction levels between 1, 2, or 3 in stimulation mode by using the arrows. The Willow 360 pump will automatically switch from stimulation to expression mode at about 2 minutes. In the expression mode, you have more levels that you can go back and forth between. And with pairing the app, you'll be able to see what level you're on. The pump will automatically shut off at 25 minutes. When your pumping session has finished, you'll hit the play pause button, you'll break the seal, remove from your body, tilt downward, and flip to finish by flipping the pump over and down. You will hear some gulping noises, and that will make sure that all of your milk makes it into your milk bag. Now let's take a look at how to control the pump through the Willow app. After you've downloaded the Willow app, it will walk you through how to connect your Willow 360 via Bluetooth app. Once you're in the app, you have the option to control your pump right on screen. To learn more about pumping, to shop, and lactation support. For demonstration purposes, we're just using the right side of the Willow 360. If the left side was connected, you would be able to control it here. To start your pumping session, you'd hit the play button, and the pump will start suctioning to your body. You'll see that we are in stimulation mode, and you can adjust your suction strength by hitting the plus or the minus button. It will also show you your milk volume and your battery life. The pump also automatically switches to expression mode after it detects milk volume. To stop your pumping session, you can hit the pause button. You may experience a delay in the controls on the app to the pump, and you can disconnect from your body and power off. To end the session, you hit the pause button. And if you hit this graph icon at the top of the app, it will allow you to see your session information, including total volume, minutes, and what side. For cleaning and sanitizing of the Willow 360, first time use, you'll want to boil your flex tube, brush shield, and an insert if you're using one in boiling water for 10 minutes. You'll want to make sure that's fully air dried before using the pump. In between uses, it's recommended to wash your pump parts with warm water and soap after every use. When you're disassembling your pump after use, you want to push up on the brush shield door and remove the brush shield from the pump. You want to set the pump aside because you do not have to wash or sanitize this piece. You're going to push up on the bag valve and remove your bag. The milk bags are a single-use container. You can store as is, as they're leak-proof. You can freeze or refrigerate. You'll want to remove the flex shield from the brush shield itself. You want to push up on that flex tube collar to remove it from the grooves and pull directly up to remove from the spout. You'll want to soak your flex tube, brush shield, and an insert if you're using one in warm soapy water in a separate container for 5 minutes. You'll then want to use the brushes provided by Willow and clean your pieces in the same soapy water for 20 seconds before rinsing and air drying. The CDC recommends sanitizing your breast pump parts once daily. This includes your brush shield, flex tube, and an insert if you're using one. Boiling water is a great method for this. Willow does not recommend using microwave sanitation methods. Acceleron has this unboxing series because we care about your journey through prenatal, returning to work, and beyond. We also offer other education on our website at acceleron.com that includes one-on-one consults, videos, guides, and more.